So friends, let's just dive straight into today's recipe. So here I have 300 grams of chicken breast, which I've just cut into boneless breast, cut into small cubes. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Malvanimasala. You could use chicken on the bone for this recipe as well. Next, I'm going to add salt to taste, approximately 3/4 of a teaspoon. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So this is going to be our marinade. So you're going to add all of this, mix it really well into the chicken, and then set the chicken aside for 30 minutes. You can even put it in your refrigerator or leave it out at room temperature. Now we're going to take a large pot. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once our oil is hot, I've taken 3 medium onions that I've chopped really fine, and we're going to need 2 more onions later on chopped fine. So in total, we're going to have like 5 medium onions chopped fine. Now let the onions really soften in the oil. Then we're going to add about 20 small cloves of garlic, whole garlic. You're going to fry this onions and garlic for a good 20 minutes till it starts looking like this. Once that is done, transfer it to a bowl and let it come to room temperature. Now in the same oil that we had, that is the 3 tablespoons, don't add more oil. We're going to add 2 cups of fresh coconut. Now if you don't have your hands on fresh coconut, you can use the dry coconut, you can use desiccated coconut, but this unsweetened dessicated coconut. Now you're going to fry this also for a good 20 minutes till you get this dark brown color, continuously stirring. Now once that is done, you're going to add the fried onions and garlic back to this coconut, and you're going to fry all of these 3 ingredients really well for about 5 to 7 minutes, because this is the whole essence of this chicken curry. Now once it is cooled down, you're going to transfer it to a mixer jar, run it, and make it into a very coarse paste. Then you're going to add about half a cup of water, again grind it. Next you're going to add 1/4 cup of water and again grind it. We're looking for a very smooth paste. Now scrape on all the sides of your mixer jar. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves and then grind it. And you're going to get this very smooth, thick masala paste. So now to the remaining oil, or you can add 2 more tablespoons of oil, you're going to add 2 medium onions chopped fine, like I had told you all in the beginning, and you're going to fry these onions really well. So this is going to be our bagar now. We're done with the grinding. Fry the onions really well till they're nice and soft. Once that is done, you're going to add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once all of that is soft, you're going to add 2 small tomatoes that you've chopped fine. Fry all of this till the tomatoes are really nice and soft. Now you're going to add this lovely masala paste, which is the real base of this whole recipe. And you're going to fry all of this for about 5 minutes. You're going to use the masala water. And before that, you're just going to cook it for about 5 minutes. And now you'll see that this masala, we've not added any water yet, guys. But this masala paste that is frying in the onions and the tomatoes has left a lot of, this oil, which is very important for this recipe. So once that happens, you just mix everything well. And now you're going to add the marinated chicken. So we haven't added the water yet. You're going to add the marinated chicken. And now you're going to add the masala water, which is roughly around 3/4 cup. And then again, you're going to add half a cup of water and another half cup of water. Okay, and mix everything well. The reason we're adding so much of water is because the masala keeps absorbing the water. Now you're going to add half a teaspoon of pepper powder. 1 teaspoon again of Malvanimasala. Now you can always adjust the masalas according to your spice level and how you want the taste. And we're going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala as well. Mix all of this really well together. And now you're going to add 2 teaspoons of kokum agar or syrup. No masala is ready, is complete without the agar. Mix everything well, and now you're just going to simmer this and cook it on a very low flame for about 12 to 15 minutes till you get this lovely tel sa tavanga or layer of tail on top. Like I said, this is not for the faint-hearted. And then you're going to put a lot of coriander, and you're ideally supposed to have it with the vades, which I will put soon. But you can always have this with chapatis, poris, rice, bread. This is amazing, guys. It is a long process, but just get it together and make it. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and this is especially for our nephew Satyajit and his wife Sneha and their baby Sahana. See you all, guys. Bye. So this recipe has been made by my husband Abhijit and me as the sous chef. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, guys.